What's going on, guys? So I got a little bit of Amazon swag in for the Hawk250. I got a quarter turn throttle that I'm going to put on, and I also got a new GoPro mount. It's similar to the Ram mount, where it's got the balls, and then you mount it to the handlebar on this side, and then it's got a quarter 20 mount on this side with the GoPro mount already on it, or you can put any quarter 20 on there. So I'm gonna pull the Hawk out and see if we can get some of this stuff installed and try it out. Like, comment, subscribe, stick around, and we're gonna put this quarter turn throttle to the test. Okay, so to take the original throttle off, you've got two Phillips screws, and this cap comes off, and the rest of the throttle mechanism comes down from the bottom, and the cable comes out of there, and then that just slides right off. So now let's get the new throttle, and then we just need to figure out how to route the cable and hook everything up. Okay, so I put the original one back together minus the cable, and I've taken the grip off of it. Now you can see we've got our cable end here, so we're going to go ahead and feed that onto the quarter turn throttle assembly. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is get the, and I hope this is focusing, get the end of the cable into the slot there, and then the next thing you'll do is put the pulley back on the top here. So with the pulley back in there and the cable routed in the pulley, now you can take and put the piece of Lexan back on and the screw that holds all that assembly together. All right, so I wound up taking this apart and fiddling with it a little bit, and now it's turning and returning on the spring on its own. So I think everything is pretty good. Now, before I take this on a ride, I am going to go ahead and pull all these screws back out and put a little bit of blue Loctite on them, because I don't want to lose anything. But I think everything is ready to go ahead and fire it up. All right, so I'm sure this footage is going to be a little lackluster, seeing how I'm losing my light out here. But I just took a quick rip on the driveway, down and back, and the quarter turn throttle is definitely awesome. I definitely recommend it. Tomorrow when it's lighter out, after I get done work, I'll go ahead and throw on the new GoPro mount, and I'll take a ride on camera to show you guys exactly how nice this quick throttle is. And I do have the Mikuni carb upgrade to put on as well, so that'll be coming up in a future video also. So thanks for watching. Okay, so here is the follow-up for the quick twist throttle. It is definitely worth doing. The only problem I had was with the carburetor. The thing wanted to stick, but it turned out that that was just the stock carburetor. Now I've upgraded to the Mikuni clone, and I have zero issues with the quick twist throttle, and I would definitely recommend doing it. And if you haven't put the Mikuni clone carburetor on your Hawk250, I would recommend doing that as well. And let me see, let me get you the part number here, and you can get it on Amazon. It's like 30 or 40 bucks, and it is one heck of a clone. It even says Mikuni and made in Japan right on it, and I'm seriously doubt it is. I'm pretty sure it's made in China, but kudos to whoever's doing it, because it's an awesome carburetor. I definitely recommend it for your Hawk250. I've also finished up putting on my Pro Taper clone fat bars. Time to ride.